Play Without Limits, our D-Squared project. This is how we made our world a better place by using the design process here at Sanders Memorial. We took time to formulate and come up what the reality was and how the situation affects others. What must it be like for those affected with the problem, and how can we help it solve? The reality is that not all kids are able to do the same physical activities. We wanted to include everyone. We have to explore. What do we already know? What do we need to know? And how will we learn? What are some reliable sources we can use to get our information? And who would be affected if we ignored our problem? Learning all we could to make this a reality. We learned about different disabilities and how we could create a game for all kids to play. When we ideate, we think, what are some solutions to those problems? And we need to explore further if we can create that solution. Collaborating to come up with as many solutions as possible to our problems. When we sift, we think about which ideas could really work, which are feasible or where we're able to do it, and what are the possible unintended consequences of each idea. What else could go wrong? Do we need to explore or ideate further? Do we need more ideas? Sifting through all of our ideas to figure out what is truly possible. Time to simulate. How about we create a prototype to mock up what we can test out? How can we test the solution? And what did we learn? Were we able to test our solution? Should we go back to sifting or ideate to go back and fix it? Turning our ideas into reality. Advocate. Who needs to know this? Who can help us put our ideas into action? And how will we share our ideas? Where will they end up? Time to let everyone know about our games. Students used the design process last year to include everyone in outdoor play. We can't wait to see what you guys create this year.